Why does your bike seem to guzzle fuel, even when you're just cruising? Maybe you've blamed fuel quality or assumed it's just normal. But what if your bike already has hidden fuel-saving hacks you're not using? Today, I'll reveal simple, proven tips to boost your mileage instantly. No expensive upgrades needed. Ready to become a fuel-saving pro? Let's dive in. Let's start with the throttle, the most overlooked fuel waster. Jerking the throttle dumps excess fuel into the engine, burning more petrol for little gain. Instead, roll on the throttle smoothly. Gradual acceleration lets your engine mix air and fuel efficiently. You'll notice a smoother ride and slower fuel gauge drop. Think of it as taking the elevator instead of sprinting upstairs, efficient and effortless. Over time, this small change means big savings and a happier engine. Be gentle on that throttle. Your wallet and your bike will thank you. Shifting gears at the wrong time wastes fuel fast. Revving too high in low gear or lugging in high gear strains your engine and burns more petrol. Shift within the optimal RPM range, usually between 3,000 and 5,000 RPM for most bikes. Listen to your engine or use your tachometer if you have one. Smooth, timely shifts mean less wasted energy and better mileage. Practice this on your next ride. You'll feel the difference. Your gearbox and fuel budget will both last longer. Don't ignore your chain. A dirty or dry chain increases resistance and fuel use. Clean and lubricate your chain every 500 kilometers to reduce friction and keep power delivery smooth. You'll notice a lighter, more responsive ride right away. A healthy chain lasts longer and saves you money on replacements. Plus, you'll avoid annoying chain noise and jerky rides. 10 minutes of maintenance every couple of weeks pays off in fuel savings. Low tire pressure is a silent fuel killer. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder and burn more fuel. Check your tire pressure weekly. Use the manufacturer's recommended PSI. Even a small drop in pressure can hurt your mileage. Invest in a good tire gauge and keep it handy. Proper tire pressure means better handling, safer rides, and instant fuel savings. It's one of the easiest hacks for better mileage. Riding with the clutch half-engaged wastes fuel and wears out your clutch. Every time you hold the clutch halfway, you're burning fuel without moving efficiently. After every shift, release the clutch lever fully. Only use half clutch when absolutely necessary. Your bike will feel more responsive and your clutch will last longer. You'll see a real improvement in city fuel efficiency. Break the half clutch habit and save at the pump. Idling at long signals wastes more fuel than you think. If you're stopped for more than 30 seconds, turn off your engine. Modern bikes restart easily, and you'll save fuel every time you cut the engine at a stop. Less idling means less engine wear and lower emissions. Use your bike's start-stop system if you have one, or get into the habit manually. You'll spend less time at the pump and more time riding. A clogged air filter forces your engine to work harder and burn more fuel. Check and clean your air filter every 3,000 kilometers or sooner in dusty conditions. It's a simple job that keeps your engine running smooth and efficient. A clean filter means better acceleration and lower emissions. Make this a regular habit for long-term fuel savings. Your riding style is the biggest factor in fuel efficiency. Aggressive riding, hard acceleration, sudden braking, burns the most fuel. Maintain a steady speed, plan ahead, and avoid unnecessary throttle or brake inputs. Smooth riding is safer, less stressful, and saves fuel. Challenge yourself. See how far you can go on a single tank with these tips. You'll be surprised at the difference. Start using these hacks today and watch your fuel costs drop. Every small change adds up to real savings and a smoother ride. Comment below with your favorite tip, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more riding secrets. Keep riding smart and efficient.